Whereas an oil stain, you can put it on a lot thinner. This stain, you really should lay it on a little heavier. But the difference is you're not going to see this product go sucking into the wood really quick like you do with an oil. It will lay up when it's wet. So it looks like you're flooding the floor, but you're really not putting any more on. We're still getting 700-800 feet out of a gallon. I'm going to re-wet my lap line really good. I only cut in my edges as I go. I try not to get ahead of myself ever if I can avoid it. But if I get that re-wet really well, and then wipe it really thoroughly, I'm not having any lap line issues with this stain checker. There is no reason to let it sit an extended period of time. It's going to grab the wood immediately. So guys say, do I have to let it sit 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever? No. Get on it as soon as you need to or want to, because the longer it sits, the higher the chance of that sun shining in on the floor is going to cause it to flash and make it impossible for you to wipe off the excess. Like Michael's comment is, you can't over wipe it. Most guys will start thinking like an old dye water-based stain, lay it on even and uniform and walk away from it. Not this stain. It penetrates, it grabs, it immediately wants to take to the wood, get that excess off of there. Your lap lines are going to be hindered by you not wiping it thoroughly enough. That's the number one problem I have.
The only mistake you can make is not getting it all off.
Yep. So what happens when I leave it heavy, I get a lap. When I work that line, with a nice clean rag, I'm taking care of my lap.